Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and with this series, I'm helping Americans plan, prepare, and thrive when moving abroad. And today we're talking about something that's on so many people's minds: how to move abroad from the US in 2025. Whether you're chasing adventure, lower living costs, better work-life balance, or just a more peaceful, fresh start, this video covers 10 essential tips you need to know before packing your bags and hopping on that one-way flight. So grab your notebook and a cup of coffee, and let's go ahead and get into it. Tip number 1, start planning early. 2025 is going to be the year of paperwork. Moving abroad isn't something you can plan in a few weeks. The post-pandemic world changed everything. Visas take longer, housing markets are more competitive, and global cost of living changes mean more research is needed up front. Start by setting a realistic timeline of at least 6 to 12 months before your move. Use that time to research visa requirements, save for relocation costs, organize important documents, learn about your new country's culture, and trust me, your future you will thank you for not leaving this to the last minute. Tip number 2, understand your visa options and legal requirements. Every country has different entry and residency rules. In 2025, the most common visas for Americans moving abroad include the Digital Nomad Visa, this is for remote workers, work visas, which are sponsored by employers, self-employment or entrepreneur visas, student visas for education-based relocation, and retirement visas for those who already have a steady income. Each has its own income minimums, paperwork, and processing times, so research early. And a pro tip: join Facebook or Reddit expat groups in your destination country. People there can give real-time updates on visa experiences. Tip number 3, create a realistic budget, including hidden costs. It's easy to underestimate how expensive moving abroad can really be. Beyond flights and rent, you'll also face visa application and translation fees, international health insurance, shipping and storage costs, first month deposits or temporary housing charges, and currency exchange rate losses. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in your destination's currency. Also track your spending in US dollars and local currency. It helps you spot fluctuations, and it's a great way to plan ahead. Tip number 4, get your paperwork in order before you leave. You'll need a ton of documents for visa applications, banking, and housing. Prepare those before leaving. Passport with at least 6 months of validity, birth certificate and marriage licenses, college diplomas or transcripts, financial statements, health and vaccination records, driver's license, and international driving permits. Scan everything into PDFs and store them securely online in Google Drive or Dropbox, and make sure to keep original physical copies. Tip number 5 is to set up international banking and money transfers. Transferring money internationally can eat away at your savings with hidden fees. For 2025, online financial tools like Wise, formerly TransferWise, Revolt, and N26 remain the best options for Americans abroad. They let you hold multiple currencies, get local bank details, and transfer money with minimal conversion fees. Pro tip: keep your US bank account open for things like credit history and online payments. You'll likely need it for taxes and for emergencies. Tip number 6, secure housing early and understand the local norms. European and global rental markets move fast, and they work differently than the US. You might encounter unfinished apartments with no appliances, high deposits, sometimes 3 months of rent, limited square footage for city centers, and landlords requiring visa proof and income verification. Start by booking temporary housing for your first few weeks. I'm choosing to stay in an Airbnb and rent it on a monthly basis. Once you're on the ground, it's easier to find long-term places in person. Tip number 7, sort out health insurance and medical coverages. Most countries require proof of health insurance for your visa or residency. Before you move, go ahead and compare private international health plans like Cigna Global or Safety Wing to local public health options once you're a resident. Healthcare abroad is usually much cheaper and a lot higher quality, but you need to have coverage from day one. Don't forget to pack a few months of any prescription medications you use on a regular basis. Tip number 8, go ahead and learn about your U.S. tax obligations. Here's something many expats don't realize. You still have to file U.S. taxes even if you live abroad. The good news? You can avoid double taxation thanks to agreements like Foreign Earned Income Exclusion, FEIE, or the Foreign Tax Credit. Still, it's smart to consult a tax professional who specializes in expats. They'll make sure you're compliant in both of the countries. Tip number 9, join expat communities and learn local customs. Moving abroad can be lonely at first. The fastest way to feel at home is to connect with others. Look for Facebook expat groups, local language classes, co-working spaces, or meetup events for networking. You can also learn basic etiquette and cultural norms, like tipping rules, greetings, quiet hours in apartments, and the new recycling systems. Being culturally aware helps you integrate faster and avoid unintentional faux pas. Tip number 10, be patient and flexible. This is a marathon, not a sprint. No matter how well you plan, moving abroad always has surprises. You'll face paperwork delays, culture shock, maybe even homesickness. Though in my case, I doubt it. Give yourself grace. You're not just changing addresses, you're building an entirely new life. Celebrate the small wins. Find your favorite cafe. Open your first local bank account. Learn a few new phrases in another language. In time, it all will start to feel like home. So there you have it. My 10 must-know tips for Americans moving abroad in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more guides on visas, budgeting, housing, and expat life in Europe. And tell me in the comments, where are you planning to move this year or next? I'd love to hear your plans.